short route to Smith. Smith fakes the shot, lets it go for three, and he sinks it. Away to Kelvin Parker. Coleman on the attack the other direction. Coleman to the lane, layup good. Trying to stretch the floor. Parker, the leaping reception downtown. Three is flush. Steps to Wallace around the horn. Noggle to Wallace, cutting in. He rolls it in. Morgan gave away the Marauders. Here comes Carl Wallace on the attack. Shifty player, layup good, and the foul. Nifty pass to Bowman. Back to Aker. He'll let it go for three, and he makes his first three as a Millersville Marauder. From Zach Sheets, Lester does to Parker for three, and he got that one too. On the attack, Coleman joins him. Bowman, kick out. Smith is open for three, and he knocks it down. Right now with 16 to shoot, it is Richardson. He spots up a three and drills it. For backing away, Parker now drives. Parker, a floater, rims around and in. Parker will drive. Parker, kick out. Coleman, left corner three is absolute. Move, the leaping pass to Coleman, kick out wide open, right wing corner, Brandon Brown is flush. Nice crossover move, goes to Kelvin Parker, he's open for three, faked it once, great move and sinks it anyway. Wallace with 6 to shoot, makes his move, kicks out, one more try, Smith for three, and he knocks it down.